financial freedom, but they get stuck believing they need huge capital to start a business. The truth is, in 2025, dropshipping can be your millionaire blueprint if you follow the right steps with discipline and focus. Step 1. Choose a high-demand niche with proven spending power. Think health,